Hey, Terry McGean here in the shop at Hemmings with an update on the 1972 Corvette that we built here back over the summer. Now you guys may remember that we bought a Corvette to do a project in partnership with CokerTire. The idea was that Junior and I were going to refurbish the car and get it ready to run the Great Race in June. And we did that, and we created 5 episodes that you can watch on our Hemmings YouTube channel right now to see the work we did on the car. The car turned out pretty well, and then it went on the Great Race, and Riley of Riley's Rebuilds drove it, and she and her partner, who was the navigator, did great on the race. They came in second in the rookie class, and the car didn't let them down. After the race, the car came back here so Junior and I could spruce it up a little more. Junior rebuilt the differential. We did some other things that needed to be done. And then the car went off to CokerTire and off to CorvetteCentral. Now remember, this was a giveaway car, and a lot of people have asked us whatever happened with that. Well, we did name a winner. And that winner is Kendly Jefferson of Killeen, Texas, and she has the car now. Congratulations to her. The car really worked out very well. It was a great partnership with CokerTire. We were able to test out the new Firestone wide oval radials on that. In fact, after we ran the race with the 70 series tires that were original to that car, at least the original size, Coker refitted the car with a set of the brand new wide oval 60s, and those are on the car right now. So the Corvette, again, a great project. We did a lot of work on it. We were able to create a lot of content from it. Congratulations again to Kendly Jefferson of Killeen, Texas. Hope you enjoy that Corvette.
Hemmings, thank you, CokerTire.
Awesome. Who could have imagined? Dreams do come true. Yeah. Oh wow, this is like a dream. And it's beautiful too. Yeah. The color is just right. Yeah, I love it. This moment means to me, it's like a dream, you know, because who would have thought that I would have won out of the 30,000 plus entries, and it's just like, it's still so surreal that I'm a winner of a 1972 Corvette. It's just, it's unreal. I'm just glad that I am a part of this community of theirs. So with this classic car that I just won, the 1972 Corvette, it reminds me of some of the older cars that my uncle had growing up, mainly Chevys, and I'm just glad that I could be one of the ones now a part of this community of classic cars. I just never thought that I would be one to own a classic, you know, car, and especially a 1972 Corvette. Oh wow. Yes. This is nice.
Thanks to our partners on this project again, CorvetteCentral, Zip Corvette Parts, and of course CokerTire. Keep an eye on the Hemmings socials to see what we're up to, and keep an eye on our YouTube channel to see what we're working on next here in the shop.